Assalamualaikum. It's me Mehnoor Imran and she is my guru Misbah Kanjiyani. And we are the students of second and medical of this wonderful CAS college.
Today, we are here to present our project, Urinary System of Human. So let's do a small experiment to understand the whole process.
There the main parts of urinary systems are kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra.
So as you can see that when we passes the water through these arteries and veins, it goes to kidney, which filters out the waste product into the form of urine. Then a tube arises, which carries urine from the kidney to the bladder. What bladder does? Bladder stores urine for a long or short period, depends upon the amount of urine. Then excrete it out from the body and with the help of breath. This all process is called urinary system. There are some disorders of urinary system. What are there? Kidney stones, which are hard deposits of minerals and salts, and they are removed by a technique called lithotripsy, which is the rate treatment. By the help of rays, they are broken into small pieces and then excrete out in the form of crystal. Number 2, urinary tract infection. It can be in any part of urinary system, maybe in urethra, urinary bladder, ureter, etc. Any part, but it also affects the releasing of urine. Number 3, kidney failure. It is a condition in which one or both kidneys can no longer work on their own. So we do dialysis or kidney transplant. Now, some cool facts about the urinary system. What are they? The human bladder can stretch at up to 400 ml to 600 ml of urine, and kidney every day filter about 400 times of blood every day. There are also some cool facts which are if one kidney fails to function and is moved, then the other